jokingly I had said, can you externally solder your bladder well pump holding tank? And yes, you can. So if you look on the back side here, and you see right there, that is nothing but a premium solder joint. Yes, I know it's failed, but you know what? It's gonna work for now until we can get a brand new tank. But I think that was a riot. So you go. Here's the tank pressure. You can get a good look at that. See where the cut in and cut out is. I might have to add just a little bit of air to the tank. But should cut out it right at like 60 something. I hope. Don't you make a ladder out of me. It's gonna go to 90, 70, 80. Come on. Cut. God damn you. Yeah, okay. 80 psi. It's good enough. It's good enough until this disaster here can get replaced. But yeah, I just basically took some basic tools, plumbing tools. So you get your map gas here. You get your H2O flux. I mean, you get your H2O flux. This ain't flux. This is solder, but it's the lead-free for doing water junk. So it works, man. Sometimes that's all that it takes is a little bit of sandpaper and flames, and you can go ahead and at least get by for a short period of time.